In the heart of the wild roams one of nature's most awe-inspiring creatures, the elephant. Their deep rumbling sounds echo across their territories, binding elephant herds in a symphony of communication. Remarkable memory anchors them to the past, recalling long-forgotten water sources. Witness their ingenuity as they use tools to conquer challenges. Agile in the water, they glide gracefully through rivers. Guided by wise matriarchs, they form close-knit families. Their empathy shines, mourning the loss of loved ones. Majestic tusks echo tales of strength and wisdom. Cherish and protect these noble creatures.